I want to express my appreciation and gratitude for the wonderful work of our amazing housekeepers, our facilities team, our transportation workers, and our landscaping staff. To all of you who have been there serving our community throughout the pandemic, thank you.
Thank you, UEVS.
Thank you to each and every one of you.
Thank you, UEVS, for all that you do.
I lived in Kilgo and got to interact with UEVS every day, and the staff were so hardworking. They would come in on Sundays to make sure that the job was getting done, so I really appreciated them for the clean campus. Thank you, UEVS.
Thank you, UEVS.
Thank you for everything that you do and that you've been doing.
Thank you, UEVS, for everything you do.
We appreciate your hard work, dedication, and commitment this past year.
And please know we all see the effort you put forth, and day in and day out, and we really truly appreciate it.
I am so appreciative of the UEVS staff for doing so much of the behind the scenes work to keep Duke the beautiful campus that it is. Thank you, UEVS.
I want to personally thank all of you for all the hard work you do each and every day on behalf of facilities management and Duke University.
Produced by the Office of Communication Services, online at working.duke.edu.